Here are all of the colors. This looks so cool. Look at how cool these look. Kind of freaky. Guys, I officially sell fidget toys on my website, shopnicholejacklyn.com, as well as slime, fidgets, slime, merchandise, and more, shopnicholejacklyn.com. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. I just got a giant shipment in for my fidget store. So as you guys know, I also sell fidgets now in my store, shopnicholejacklyn.com. It's right here on the screen and linked down below. Make sure you guys use the code YouTube15 for 15% off your entire order. This is gonna be a huge haul. Insert photos right here of what's around me in this room. There's so many boxes, so many poppets, so many stress balls, so many things that I cannot believe are here. Honestly, I want to just hop into this and cut this open. I also wanted to do another giveaway of my poppets that I do sell. I do sell these rainbow square poppets in my store. They're a keychain poppet. I wanted to give another one away for this video to one of you guys. So if you guys want to win this, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel down below, like this video, and comment down below a bunch of rainbow emojis. And once you have done all of those things, comment down below that you have entered, and I'll pick one winner from the comment section in 1 week. So what I'm gonna do is in 1 week, I will go to the comment section and I will reach out to you guys in the comments to tell you guys to email me, and that's how the giveaways are kind of like chosen, and share the new fidgets in my store right now. You guys can shop all what you see in this video right now in my store, shopnicholejacklyn.com. Go check it out. Some really amazing stuff in store and more stuff coming to my store very soon. These poppets were truly custom made for me. They really they had printed like one out, and then they made about like 50, 100 of each for me to purchase. So very exciting, and let's hop on into it, honestly. So yeah, if you guys do buy from my store, comment down below and let me know what you guys purchased. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok at nicholejacklyn, because on there I do tend to share, you know, really up-to-date stuff. If we get a brand new shipment in, I'll post it immediately to my TikTok. So make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram and all the places. I just hauled these in here and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have been waiting for these forever. These are the DNA balls. Look, oh, you can't even, okay. No. Literally so many DNA balls. Look at these. You can totally see them now. Okay, so you have all of the DNA balls. I know I just keep saying that, but like, they're just so cool to look at. Yeah. I mean, there's just a million of them. So colorful, so gorgeous. I love the DNA ball because it's clear, but you can see what's inside of it. And I really do love these like giant, they kind of look like giant Orbeez, but they don't ever pop. They have like a different texture to them. Oh my gosh, they're just the coolest. I literally cannot wait to put these on my website, because this I had been so excited for a very long time. And I ordered these, I think I ordered these like forever ago, but I ordered them to ship by ship versus airplane, and it took like literally a month and a half. Oops. Link to shop down below in my store, shopnicholejacklyn.com. Go get yourself a DNA ball. These are everything. Okay, I have to open up this one next because I think I know what it is, and I'm really gonna hope it is what I think it is, because if it is, oh my gosh. Okay, it's not what I thought it was, but it's still extremely exciting. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna open it. Maybe this is what I thought it was. Oh no, okay. It isn't, but it is. This is one of the poppets I have. It is a like rhinoceros. It's so cute. This first row here, this is all the rhinoceros. It's so cute. And these are barely even out yet because my supplier essentially showed these to me when they first came out on her end, which is so exciting. And then we also have these, which are cheeseburger poppets. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the hamburger, the rhinoceros. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you have a lime. Sorry, you have a lemon. This is the best day ever. They're just so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pull each one as I go through. When I ordered this order, which you'll see as they come through, I ordered like 20 different poppets. Kind of insane, for sure. But also, what can I say? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not even sure what colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, I'm not even sure here because these poppets, there's this color, these lollipops. There's this like tiger lollipop. And then there's this green and white lollipop. There's that pink lollipop. And then I'm seeing that right now. But I'm pretty sure I did order those. They're probably overflow into this box from another box. That makes sense. This one is one of my favorites. This is a strawberry. It's a strawberry poppet. Like, how freaking cool is that? Is the strawberry. One of my favorites so far is the rhinoceros. I think it's so cute and very unique. Like, I tried to find some unique ones that weren't really out yet. Okay, so I'm finding more of the lollipops. Yes, I thought I ordered more lollipops, and I definitely did. These have a very unique texture to them. They're kind of like, I can't even explain it, but they're very cool. These came so fast. So these are Among Us tie-dye poppets, and they're really colorful and pretty. I believe the entire box, yeah, is that. Literally so pretty. So these are really cool because they are that, like, they have that harder frame on the outside, but they are the Among Us shape, which I think is so cool. And they have the beautiful tie-dye, which is so pretty. I'll put one out here. Oh, I love these. Infinity cubes. Oh, this is exciting. Truly exciting. Oh my gosh. Are these like extra boxes in case you need extra boxes? Oh my gosh. The infinity cubes, and they all come in this cool packaging, and I'm pretty sure there's multiple colors. Yes, I was like, I thought so. You have all the infinity cube colors. You have the yellow, green, blue, and pink. So gorgeous, and they will all come in this packaging. So cute. Wow, I love these. This is gonna be so much fun. I kind of want to open one for myself. Like this. So the options when you purchase are either this teal and yellow infinity cube, this blue and pink infinity cube, this yellow and teal infinity cube, or the pink and blue infinity cubes. I love that the eyes and the snout also pop, so you can, I think that's such a cool like little addition. And it's a pretty decent sounding pop on the quiet side. Is it an armadillo? No, it's not. It's a rhinoceros. For a second, I was like, wait. But yeah, this is literally so unique. It's barely anywhere. I love the tails, even a poppet too. And now you can go through and pop them. So fun. Look at this guy, like it's just the cutest. So the Rhinoceros, link to shop down below. She's a cutie. Love. Too cute. Oh, it's super, has a very like tight pop to it. So you already know it's gonna be super loud. You can always tell how they're gonna feel pretty instantly. I kind of want to sell strawberry lemonade, like as like, I could, oh my gosh, I'm having all these ideas. I could sell strawberry poppet, lemon poppet, and then I could also put my strawberries and cream cheese cheesecake slime. And like a bundle, 2 poppets and a slime with a theme. I'm so gonna do that. Make sure you guys check out my website to see that listing live now. Love. I wonder what's in this box. I am so glad these came so fast. I ordered these like, they're not really wristbands, but it's kind of like that vibe. They are the like, honestly they're probably wristbands, but the sensory wristband things. I ordered so many of them. They're so pretty. Open one out so easily. So they either fit on your wrist, or you can either do this, or you can play with them however you'd like. Whether it's I really like how they're so flimsy, because you can literally do whatever you want. Okay, let's go closer up. These look so pretty in the box. Okay, this is a better view of it. So it's super like movable here. You can put it on your wrist if you want. And the cool part is, let's say you are popping it. Okay, you want to go back out, flip it around so it's flat against your wrist again. Oh my gosh, that's actually really cool. It's honestly kind of a cool looking accessory. Catch me outside, truly. I love how this feels. Oh my gosh, you guys, please match me and go get yourself one of these bracelet, kind of like sensory band things. They're probably just more so meant to just kind of be played with like this, but having the ring like that is very fun to play with and fidget with, like going around the carousel per se. There's more. Snappers. Oh my gosh. So I ordered a bunch of these pineapple snappers, the unicorn poop snappers. So here is how they look. Let's get them out of the package real quick. So we have the pineapple. Oh, that was a very tight snap. Pineapple is just so cute. And then you also have the unicorn poop one. I love how these feel. This is like a super soft silicone feeling. So pretty. And this is the pineapple again. It has a very nice texture on the outside. It's very good for grabbing, like this one's super nice. Pop tubes. Finally, back in stock. Oh, they're beautiful. These colors might be a little different than last time, but they're stunning. They're very neon, very beautiful. These look so cool. Look at how cool these look. Kind of freaky. Wow. That was an entire bottom row too. The pop tubes. I'm going to open up one for my own keeping for videos and demonstrating this way. Okay. These are all the colors. Okay. So fun. We have other colors. Okay. Very fun. What could this be? I have no idea. Stress balls, maybe? Simple dimples? Thank goodness these finally came. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dimple digits. Or their letters. I finally can sell these. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are all of the simple dimples, or sorry, dimple digits, I mean. We have the purple, the blue and the white. So, so nice. Now if you guys want these, I only have a few of them. So if you're wanting these and you're eyeballing them, go snatch them right now because I only have a few. These are like the coolest things ever, I swear. Here are all of the colors. So beautiful, truly stunning. I love these. Like one of my favorite Fidget toys ever are Simple Dimple or Dimple Digits. I love these, are so fun. I love how thick it is. So good, so fun. These colors are insane, so pretty. Okay. Love. Oh, it's not. Confused because they all have the same colors for the most part. They all vary and have all of these rainbow colors on the inside, but the actual wheel is different. So the wheels are either pink, white, or blue. So then when you buy, it'll just say like pink, white, or blue, and then the colors will be like a miscellaneous random rainbow, but very, very pretty, and they're fidget spinners, which is very cool. Oh, a few poppets actually. So we have, I'm gonna come closer in a second to you guys these ones, but we have this is a beautiful peacock, right? Yeah, it's so pretty. And then, oh yeah, this is a rainbow pineapple. Is there anything else underneath this? The black one. So pretty. So they're all giant spinners. Yeah, there's literally like no two are the same. Maybe at most two are the same, but out of like 100, it's very cool. This looks so aesthetic too. So yeah, the pink. I really love this. They're so freaking fun to pop. And then there is the beautiful blue one. So pretty. What? How did they know it's my birthday? Oh my god. Wait, it was just my birthday and they sent me a happy birthday space pack, which is weird because I always discuss my love for space, but like not on this website, not on my wholesaler account. Well, happy birthday. That is so cute. Wait, what? I'm gonna have to ask my girl, my supplier. I'm gonna have to ask her if that was intentional, because it's so sweet. Oh, I love that. Happy birthday. Like, oh, thanks, Queen. Happy birthday to you. And also, okay, this is like a lot. Okay, you have carrot, a carrot poppet. You have a banana poppet. I'm definitely gonna do a bundle, like a fruit bundle. I'm gonna do a smoothie bundle. I'm gonna do a vegetable bundle, maybe like an animal bundle. You have quite a few different animals now. That'd be really fun. Definitely do that. I also have added to my site a mystery fidget box. If you don't know what to order, you can pay a set price, and we'll make a custom box for you. These are some extras, miniature puzzle pieces. Oh, okay. Another extra. LOL. These are coming to my store also. These little fidget ball things. They're coming to my store very soon. 2 different colors, this color and then white also. Very awesome. This is just like, so exciting. Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. So we have a shooting star. So freaking cute. There. Shooting star. Oh, and there's ice cream. It's an ice cream poppet. I'm wondering why I sound surprised, because I ordered this stuff like weeks ago. Ooh, we have a beautiful ombre rainbow. One I've been so hyped for. And fry combo. If you want to buy these 2 together, you can totally do that. And the French fries, like, that's so fun. We have the ice cream cone. You can tell it has little ice cream like cone designs on the bottom where the cone is. Very beautiful. I love how pastel it is. Kind of a good, like, in between size too. Buttons on the top here. Well, they're kind of like smaller. They're totally glossy looking, which I wonder if they will pop louder. Very nice. This one has to be my favorite one. Like, have you ever seen a French fry poppet? Because I have not. This one is so fun. I love that it's a French fry. Mouth is like a little star. That's so funny. They get a little bit smaller as you go, but like so ever so slightly. Love. All right, so this one has some really cool ones. We have the Dimple unicorns. Those are really cool. Love that. We have more carrots. I already unboxed some of those from the last one. We have a ice cream pop. This one has the alphabet on the numbers, but it's super tiny. We have a swan poppet. Oh yeah, these are cool. In this giant box, my camera just died, but I did some digging to verify that I had everything right. We have these 2 right? Oh yeah, and then more grids. Guy right here. I actually have filmed this video, this part of the video like 3 times now, but I filmed this part of the video like 3 times now, but the camera keeps dying. Incredible. It's such good quality, seriously. I love these. Absolutely love. We'll have all of these linked down below for you guys to go and shop. Comment down below your favorite fidget toy that I now sell in my store. We have everything, you know, we have Dimple Digits, we have Simple Dimple, we have the spinners. Just the coolest. Love these. I literally cannot decide which is my favorite one, honestly. All the infinity cubes, have the pop tubes as well. So fun. And we have DNA balls. We have the snappers, the bracelets, so cute, and just like you, so much more. You guys saw everything already, but I'm just so obsessed with these. But link to shop these down below in my store. Shop nicholejacklyneyt.com. If you want to buy slime and you also want to buy fidget toys, that is totally possible. All you have to do is add it all to your cart and check out. It's all gonna ship in the same exact box. My store is shop nicholejacklyneyt.com. Once again, I always keep saying it, but in case you forgot, use the code YouTube15 for 15% off your entire order. And yeah, make sure you guys go and subscribe to my channel to enter this giant rainbow poppet. Subscribe down below, like this video, and comment down below a bunch of rainbow emojis, and I will come back to the comments of this video in exactly 1 week, and I will pick one person from the comment section and tell you that you have won the giveaway. So yes, and by the way, I also sell these in my store. They are giant rainbow keychain poppets. They're very cool. But just guys, I'll see you really soon. Bye.